morning.
Morning, freaks. I have a terrible confession. This entire week, I thought Dream Cruise was this weekend, aka today. It's Saturday, and up until yesterday, I was like, it's Dream Cruise week. It's not. Sorry, I have so many accessories on my head. I'm caffeinated. I am ready for cars and coffee. Today, we are meeting up with Kyle in just a second here. The ECC, or Exotic Car Connections, Cars and Coffee in Northville, Michigan, is today. It's 8:05 in the morning. Show starts at 9. I am pumped up, dude. It's gonna be a good one. It's beautiful. Dream Cruise is next weekend, so the community was pretty hype. I could tell yesterday there were quite a lot of cars out just on Woodward, and I didn't really film any of it because I was just kind of hanging out, watching cars, chatting with my friends. But people get antsy, dude. This whole week, people get like riled up, and it was getting a little greasy last night. The cops ended up kicking us out of the parking lot that we were in, rightfully so. I mean, we're kind of loitering, I guess. Let's go to the show. We're gonna meet up with Kyle and mob on in together.
Very well on the way here. I didn't try to race like this. I was really quick to get down. I was waiting for it.
Jeez. There's a tire on this thing. Not to mention the little thing we got going up front here. Sorry, I'm intruding on your shot here. A little CS action. I was just telling Kyle this color is so good. You can see that carbon. Ooh. Very nice. Green wheels too. Dang. Man. You got the picture in there. That's good. That's funny. I'm digging this E92 on the Apex wheels. Champagne with the brushed silver. That's nice. Just a clean, well done car. Carbon roof. Nice. We got some fun stuff over here too. Cool spec on the Turbo S. Red interior. 992 is just so good, dude. Oh, ZR1. F12. Whew. Taco Bell wrap. This is the twin turbo. This must have been the first year the twin turbo on these. And then we got the newer one right next to it. It's pretty cool to see back to back here. Right, the front end sweet. A little rear end comparison here. That's back on the 4RS is sweet. The yellow calipers, PCCB. That's nice. I'm gonna check that. All right, there. Dude, there's no way.
Those are the wheels and everything.
If it has the red badging on the side, I think it is. Unless it moved on to a new owner. No, that's his car for sure. Are those red? The 6 point?
Yeah.
Wait, they're black.
Well, not the 6.2, but the lettering.
Hold on.
This is the C63, not the black though, right?
It is. It is.
Because I see everything black at the back.
What's up, dude? My name's Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Where'd you buy this car from?
My boy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's my brother's old one.
Probably. He tuned it, built it. You guys
Yeah.
like it. Yeah, this is your old one.
Dude,
You guys on YouTube?
Yes.
Yes, this is your
That's so
old
freaking cool. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is your old car.
That's so
So you
cool,
didn't do
dude.
anything black, right?
No, this is how I got it.
Oh my goodness. We just found. Yep, ceramic. Yeah, that's the car, dude. Holy cow.
This is his car.
That is so freaking cool.
I haven't changed the thing. I left it the way it was. Same rim, same everything.
Wow. I saw the wheels and I was like, that could be it. Dude,
It
that's
is.
so cool. I cannot believe we found the old C63. It is insane. He was saying he bought it from his buddy who is living here, and it's Still ripping. He just airdropped me 2 videos too. He is absolutely smoking cars. Racing it, dude. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. I had to park next to it because these 2 cars actually never existed under our ownership at the same time. So I had to park up, see what they look like next to each other. Absolutely crazy. If you guys are new to the channel, we built this car, put the wheels on it, tune on it, all the goodies to it. The only thing that's different is the wing and the lip. This is incredible. This just made my whole day. Got Mike's car over here, which we saw, well, last video I uploaded, I think. Stan's here, now the whole crew's here. What's up, Howie? Howie's in the driver's seat, bro. Look at Howie. There he is. There he is, star of the show. And then this R8, I've seen a couple times now, has an exhaust. And then the RFX 11s, which mine has, but in silver. Car's done well. It's a cool wrap on it. What do you guys think about the red interior on the blue wrap? I don't know. It's unique. It's not quite Superman specs. This is a lighter shade of blue. Matching calipers too. Pretty sweet. Oh, I think Stan parked next to that Verde Mantis Huracan that's still over there. I want to go check out those 2 cars back to back. Real color. Ooh, we got some real RFX 11s on the GTR, ladies and gents. The wheel of the day, the RFX 11. Stan did park next to the Huracan and Verde Mantis here. Pretty cars, man. Pretty color. Howie's the star of the show everywhere he goes, Stan. That's what I've kind of learned.
I just heard like some people call his name. I'm like,
Howie's famous too. 4 GTs are rolling out. That car is so sick on the HREs. Oh my gosh. Same livery. That's goals right there, brother. Let's see, John's taking off in the R8. Car looks so good. See ya! It's clearing out a bit. Said it's only, oh, it's 11, I guess now. It's been 2 hours. Technically, the event is wrapping up, but do another lap, see if anything else showed up, see what else is still here. And then I think I need some shade, man. I'm starting to burn out here. I can feel it. That's a thickie. It's the second V10 M5 I've seen today. That's impressive. Oh, yeah. It's clean. You don't see a lot of these, especially clean. That's cool. Wow, paint is nice too. This is really clean. Jeez. That's got a little downpipe tune action. There goes that little guy. That's so crazy. Jeez. SQ5 taking off. That dialed in fitment looks so good. Just a quick little hop in to say hello. Kyle's taking off and I'm thinking about doing the same. It's freaking hot out here. I gotta edit this video. One more quick video of these guys together. That's so crazy. Just made it back to the studio. What a cool time. Like, that just blew my mind that we just reunited with Carson C63. That was crazy. Glad to see it's still alive. The new owner's taking care of it. I think it's gone through a couple owners now that he sold it. It's looking amazing. The videos he sent me, I'm not gonna post them, but they're just like, imagine C63 Hellcat lined up next to each other and the C63 just walking away. It's nuts. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like for the algorithm. Subscribe if you guys are new. We just hit 30K. Thank you so much. Dream Cruise is next weekend, so we're going to be filming a ton, uploading more long-form content, so make sure to subscribe. Don't want to miss out on all the new stuff. So, till next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.